Want to code, visualize, and automate, all in one platform? Welcome to MATLAB Module 1, the basic course by Royal Research. We'll start with the basics, understanding the MATLAB interface, creating scripts, using variables, and exploring different data types. By the end of this section, you'll be confident in navigating and using the MATLAB environment efficiently. Next, you'll dive into programming essentials, arrays, matrices, loops, conditionals, and functions. These are the core tools that every engineer, scientist, and data analyst needs to solve problems and automate tasks effectively. Data tells a story, and MATLAB makes it visual. You'll learn how to create clear and compelling 2D and 3D plots, subplots, histograms, and customized visuals to bring your data to life. Finally, we'll show you how to read and write data files, whether it's Excel, CSV, or MATLAB's native .mat format, and how to create automation scripts that save you time and effort. This is the real-world knowledge used daily in labs, classrooms, and industries around the globe. Whether you are preparing for research, teaching, or industry applications, these foundational skills will help you. Build academic simulations. Analyze experimental data. Automate routine calculations. Visualize patterns and trends. And much more. This isn't just a course. It's your first step toward mastering one of the most powerful platforms used across science, engineering, and education. Join our MATLAB Basic course today and build the foundation to turn ideas into innovation. Enroll now with the Royal Research Basic MATLAB course, and let's build your future with MATLAB. Click the link of MATLAB Basic Training. Thank you.